Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change your Zoho Mail password. Super easy and secure. So let's get started. First, open your web browser, navigate to your search engine and go to zoho.com/mail. Hit search and log in with your Zoho email and current password. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on My Account. This will take you to your Zoho account dashboard. Here tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Go to Security. Here you will see an option to change the password. Tap on it. Enter your current password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap on Forgot Password to retrieve it via email. Type your new password. Type your new password twice to confirm. Okay, make sure your new password is strong. Use uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters. Once you're done, tap Change Password. So here you'll get a confirmation and your new password will take effect immediately. One bonus tip. After changing your password, it's a good idea to log out of all other devices for extra security. You can do that from the same security section. And that's it. Your Zoho Mail password is now updated. Quick, simple, and safe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.